I am salivating, guys. This is everything. You gotta try it. You will love it. So this is the final result. It has some syrup on top of it, and it will be served with some cup of tea. So let me show you how to make this in 5 minutes. Hi guys, welcome to our life. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make some simple crispy bread. I'm gonna be using 1 egg. Make sure you whisk it very well. I'm putting some black pepper, just a little. Pour in a pinch of salt. Pour in my milk. And I'll mix everything gently. I'm gonna put this on the side. And you'll be able to see all the ingredients. You don't need too much for this. I'm gonna split this into 2. Pour in my unsalted butter. Pour in my cooking oil of my choice. Olive oil is preferable. Okay, now let's make some magic. Put my bread inside my egg. Do the same thing over and over. And check it out. You have to do this on a very low heat because you don't want it to burn. Okay, now it's time for my son. See that? Now we're going to do the second batch. This is the first batch and this is how it looks like. So let's do the second. And this is the second batch. Make sure once you're dipping in your bread, inside your milk and eggs, make sure your hands are really clean. Like really clean before you do that process. It is important. Make sure you check it at all times because you don't want it burned. Perfecto. So this is the last one. We're gonna take it off now. So guys, this is the final result. I'm gonna be serving it with a cup of tea and some syrup. So I'm gonna be pouring some syrup on top of this. And yes, try this guys, you'll love it. Look at that. It's a very simple and easy breakfast to make. That is lovely. Yes, thank you guys for watching.